Hello everyone. During this road assessment of Telephone Road, we'll take a look at its current condition and how the current state of Telephone Road might affect your drive. This partial road assessment is completed in an effort to keep you as safe as possible while you travel on Telephone Road. The cracks and divots along Telephone Road create a challenging and uncomfortable driving experience. Uneven surfaces force drivers to constantly adjust their steering, while deep divots and spreading cracks increase the risk of tire damage and suspension wear. These road imperfections not only slow traffic but also raise safety concerns, especially during rainy weather when damaged areas become harder to see. Navigating Telephone Road has become a daily obstacle course, highlighting the urgent need for repair and resurfacing. Furthermore, Telephone Road is littered with concave manhole covers that sit noticeably below the surface, creating harsh jolts for passing vehicles. These sunken covers, combined with numerous rough and uneven road repair patches, make for a bumpy and inconsistent drive. The patched sections often don't match the surrounding pavement, leading to sudden dips and uneven transitions that disrupt traffic flow and wear down vehicles over time. Additionally, along many stretches of Telephone Road, parked automobiles line the sides of the road, narrowing the already busy lanes and forcing moving traffic to weave carefully around them. This congestion is further complicated by drivers frequently attempting to turn from the middle lane, often without proper signaling or space, causing sudden stops and near misses. These unpredictable driving patterns, combined with limited visibility around parked cars, contribute to a chaotic and sometimes hazardous driving environment. Also, the train tracks crossing Telephone Road pose a significant challenge for some drivers. These tracks create sharp bumps and uneven surfaces that can jolt vehicles and disrupt the flow of traffic. During train crossings, long wait times bring traffic to a standstill, leading to backups and delays, especially during peak hours. The combination of physical roughness and unpredictable train activity adds to driver frustration and increases wear on vehicles. Lastly, while the video may appear smooth, it doesn't fully capture the harsh reality of driving on Telephone Road. The built-in stabilization feature of the camera minimizes the shaking and jolts, masking the true impact of the road's many bumps, cracks, and dips. In person, the ride is far more jarring. Every pothole, patch, and sunken manhole cover can be felt through the steering wheel and suspension. What you see on screen doesn't reflect the discomfort and vehicle strain experienced by many drivers every day. Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip channel.